Hello, my name is Deborah Byrd, and I am a local mortgage strategist here in Plano, Texas. And I just wanted to reach out because we have officially been given your contact information, and we're notified that you are looking to start the beginning phases of what it takes to buy a home. So, just want to let you know, I realize the fun part is the actual home shopping. The not so fun part is the mortgage and the loan. So, please know we do recognize these are two different purchases. You do have the home purchase and then you have the finance portion. And so my job as a strategic loan officer is to make sure we get both correct. So we go really deep on the housing market as well as the interest rate market to make sure that we structure a loan that is best for you. Not just what's easiest for us to do, but to make sure that we look at all possible loan strategies and present those options. So I'll tell you the best place to get started is to go to our link, which is just thedeborahbyrd.com. When you log on, which it's best to use Chrome internet browsers, just as a FYI, but you'll go there and we always take our clients to, when you click apply now, it's going to have an initial web form. It just kind of allows us to get to know you a little bit more, what your goals are, your needs, your wants, your dreams, desires of this purchase, and that form will go to everyone on my team. And then it'll ask you to please check that you're not a robot. And once you check that box, it'll then take you to the initial loan application. Please don't forget that step. A lot of people do. So make sure you go to that initial loan application. You'll fill it out. It's really easy. You can do it on a mobile device. It takes about 5 minutes. And once we have that complete, my team will now have more kind of meat to hang on to. So when we do our first phone interview, I can let you know not only all the traditional loan programs that we offer, but also all the non-traditional loan programs that you won't find on a Google search. So if you're hesitant at all in applying because you think for some reason you won't qualify or you're waiting 2 years from now, don't delay. We do a full credit analysis. We help strengthen credit regardless of what tier you're on, and we will give you a full custom home path to show you how to get into home ownership as efficient and effectively as possible. So if you would like to reach out to us beforehand, you may call, text me. My phone number is listed below, or we will simply wait to see your name pop up on our queue for an application. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.